In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar into Microsoft Outlook. With just a few simple steps, you can have all your calendar events synchronized and accessible in one place, making it easier to keep track of your schedule. Let's dive right in and get you streamlined and organized. To start off, you need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your Outlook account. It's essential to ensure you're using the correct account where you want the Google Calendar to be integrated. This step forms the foundation of keeping all your calendars in harmony. Once you have successfully signed in, navigate to the Outlook homepage. Here, you will see various sections like Mail, People, and, importantly, your calendar. This is your central hub for managing emails and appointments. Now, it's time to adjust some settings to accommodate your Google Calendar. Move your attention to the top right corner of the Outlook page, where you'll find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. This menu is where you can customize your Outlook experience, tailoring it to fit your personal and professional needs. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Calendar. Clicking on this will take you to a new page dedicated to all calendar-related settings and preferences. This page is crucial because it's where you'll be integrating your Google Calendar, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options here. Next, you'll need to find where Outlook manages shared calendars. This feature is vital for pulling in external calendars like those from Google, so click on Shared Calendars. This section allows you to oversee and add external calendar links, which is exactly what we need for incorporating Google Calendar. You are almost there. Now that you are in the Shared Calendar section, you'll want to enter the URL of your Google Calendar. Make sure you have already copied this URL from your Google Calendar settings, as it won't work without this link. If you haven't done this already, head to your Google Calendar settings to grab it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully added your Google Calendar to Microsoft Outlook. This integration means that all of your events, reminders, and schedules will now be seamlessly synchronized, providing you with a more cohesive and efficient calendar management experience. Enjoy the newfound convenience of having all your appointments in one place, making it a breeze to stay on top of your busy schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.